Half-Life 2! Yay! I saved up all my doubloons and was able to put it together and buy Half-Life 2. I played Black Mesa, so I have to do Half-Life 2 now. It's part of the story. So I'm gonna continue the story and see what happens next to Mr. Freeman. I chose adventure. And new game. I want to beat it.
Rather an anticlimax after what you've just survived. Time to choose. Wisely done, Mr. Freeman.
Rise and shine, Mr. Freeman. Rise and shine. Not that I wish to imply you have been sleeping on the job. No one is more deserving of a rest, and all the effort in the world would have gone to waste until... well, let's just say your hour has come again. The right man in the wrong place can make all the difference in the world. So wake up, Mr. Freeman. Wake up and smell the ashes.
Smells hot. Got another 2-hour train ride here? I'm ready for it.
I didn't see you get on.
This
is my third transfer this year.
Damn, what a pain in the ass. This might be my first. Oh, this is me.
Well, end of the line.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Welcome to City 17.
Thank you.
You have chosen or been chosen to relocate to one of our finest remaining urban centers.
This stuff, it's all I have left.
I thought so much of City 17 that
Alright,
I
I'm moving,
elected
jeez.
to establish my administration here.
Were you the only ones on that train?
Hey, asshole. I'm trying to get in here
I've
too.
been proud to call City
my God.
17 my home. And so, whether you are here to stay or passing through on your way to parts unknown,
Shit, where do I go?
Dr. Breen.
This way? What?
welcome.
What the fuck did I do? I just got here. I didn't even do anything yet.
This must be a mistake. I got a standard relocation coupon just like everybody else.
Oh. Oh, God. Oh, shit. I'm in.
About that beer I owed you.
Ah.
It's me, Gordon. Barney from Black Mesa.
Barney?
Sorry for the scare. I had to put on a show for the cameras.
That's okay. I
I'm
got
working
you.
undercover with civil protection. I can't take too long or they'll get suspicious. I'm way behind on my beating quota.
Oh.
Yes, Barney, what is it? I'm in the middle of a critical test.
Sorry, Doc, but look who's here.
Great
Hi.
Scott! Gordon Freeman.
Great Scott.
Expected more warnings.
Yeah, you
Stop.
and me both, Doc. He was about to board the express to Nova Prospect.
Well, Barney, what do you intend?
I'm thinking.
Alex is around here somewhere. She would have a better idea how to get him here.
Oh, as long as he stays away from checkpoints, we should be okay.
Okay.
Listen, I gotta go,
I
Doc.
can
We're
do
taking
that.
enough chances as it is.
Very well. And, Gordon, good to see you.
Okay, Gordon. You're
Good
gonna
to
have
see
to
you.
make your own way to Dr. Kleiner's lab. Oh, man, that's what I was afraid of. Get in here, Gordon, before you blow my cover.
Do your shit.
Pile up some stuff to get through that window and keep going till you're in the plaza. I'll meet up with you later.
Alright. It's a hell of a drop. Alright. It's fine. Taking this bottle. Ah. Oh well.
Seems fit to suppress our
Hey, it's the meme.
Sincerely.
I'm not gonna though.
Concerned citizen. Thank you for writing, sir. Of course.
Oh shit. Okay, okay, okay. Ow, you fucking asshole, look.
I also detect some unspoken questions. Do our benefactors
You're a
really
prick.
what's best for us? What gives them the right to make this kind of decision for mankind? Will they ever deactivate the suppression field and let us breed again? Allow me to address the anxieties underlying your concerns, rather than try to answer every possible question you might have.
Hi.
First, let us consider the fact that for the first time ever, as a species, immortality is in our reach. This simple fact has far-reaching implications. It requires radical rethinking and revision of our genetic approach.
That looks like a checkpoint. I gotta avoid that shit. Okay, okay, I got you, okay. I don't want to see what's in there anyway. That's a checkpoint. Oh.
Civil protection team reports that.
This is how it always starts. First the building, then the whole block. They have no reason to come to our place. Don't worry, they'll find one.
Oh god. Do I go that way or this way? Dude, I'm going. I got you, I'm going. Shithead. You'll wait till I get a gun or a crowbar. Oh shit. Okay. Yo, there's shit going down.
Oh, I thought you were a cop.
He's one of us. I can't take it anymore.
Everything's gonna be okay.
What are we going to do?
Attention, residents. Miscount detected in your block. Cooperation with your civil protection.
Hey, you!
Permit full
Alright.
ransom.
I like that idea.
There's no time to lose!
What? Oh shit. Guys, run. Wake up. Get the fuck out of here.
Potential civil protection. Inform. Cooperate. Protect.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Move.
Get
Come
in
on.
here, quick!
I'm in here.
Keep moving, head for the roof!
What about you, bro? They're gonna get him. What a noble sacrifice. I fell like a motherfucker. Alright. Carefully. It's like the Batmobile. Oh shit. Oh my god. Ow! They're after me. Let me in here. Fuck. Shit. Shit. Shit.
Ha, no, you don't.
I had nowhere to go. Miss Alex. Hey, it's Miss
Dr.
Alex.
Freeman, I presume.
That's me. It's a me,
Better
a
hurry.
Freeman. Let's
The
go.
Combine can be slow to wake, but once they're up, you don't want to get in their way. Dr. Kleiner said you'd be coming this way. I don't think it occurred to him that you might not have a map.
Or a gun. I could use a fucking firearm. My apologies. Try not to cuss
I'm
as
Alex
much.
Vance. My father worked with you back in Black Mesa.
Really?
I'm sure you don't remember me, though.
Can't say I do.
Man, a few words, aren't you?
So who's your pops?
Remember him from Black Mesa? Your old administrator.
No.
Look at my dad started on Dr. Breen.
I don't remember my administrator. I think I've suffered a bit of amnesia. I remember a lot, though. Why you walk backwards? What the fuck? What are you doing? That's not what people do.
Funny, you showing up on this day in particular.
Walk like a person, weirdo. There you go.
We've been helping people escape the city on foot. It's a dangerous route to my father's lab, through the old canals. Today, we're finally on the verge of having a better way.
Oh, good. I need a better way.
Here, let me buy you a drink.
Well, shit. That's a good place to start, honey.
Oh, and by the way, nice to finally meet you.
Hey. Right back at you, homegirl. Miss Alex. We're gonna do great things together. Wow.
Where did she get to? Lamar, come out of there!
Uh-oh, everything all right, Dr. Kleiner?
Oh, hello, Alex. Well,
Shit's
almost
fucked.
all right. Lamar has gotten out of her crate again. If I didn't know better, I'd suspect Barney of trapping and... My goodness. Gordon Freeman.
Yeah, I'm the
It
guy.
really is you, isn't it?
Yeah, I
found him
vaguely
wandering
remember
around
you.
outside. Bit of a troublemaker, isn't he?
We owe a
Yeah.
great deal to Dr. Freeman, even if trouble does tend to follow in his wake.
This is true.
I must say, Gordon, you come at a very opportune time. Alex has just installed the final piece for our resurrected teleport.
I can't take any credit for the breakthrough, Doctor.
Nonsense. Your talents surpass your loveliness.
Let's just see if this
Wow.
thing works, okay?
Well, is he here?
What a silver
There
tongue.
you are. Man,
Who?
Gordon,
Oh.
you stirred up the hive. We can't keep him here long, Doc. It'll jeopardize everything we've worked for.
Don't worry, he's coming with me.
That's right, Barney.
I'm coming with you.
This is a red letter day. We'll inaugurate the new teleport with a double transmission.
You mean it's working? For real this time? Because I still have nightmares about that cat.
No, there's nothing to be nervous
What
about.
cat?
We've made major strides.
Yeah, that's what I
since
want to
then.
know. What cat?
Major strides.
What cat?
Doc, since he's not taking the streets,
Yeah,
you
what
might as well
fucking
get
cat?
him out of his civvies.
What? Oh dear, you're right. I almost forgot. Barney, I'll give you the honor.
I've got to get back on my shift, but okay.
Oh, come on, Barney. You know you want to. Oh, baby, yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, shit, head crab.
Damn it, get it off me!
Bastard.
Lamar, there you
I
are.
thought you got rid of that pest.
Certainly not. Never fear,
Aw,
Gordon. She's debeaked
that's
and
true.
completely harmless. The worst she might do is attempt to couple with your head fruitlessly.
Get that thing away from me!
Here, my pet. Hop up. No, not up there. No. Careful, Lamar. Those are quite fragile. Oh, fie. It'll be another week before I can coax her out of there.
Yeah, longer if we're lucky.
Barney, you're not an animal person.
That's not an animal. But I remember you guys meeting.
There's no telling what kind of danger it Can't afford to waste time. Believe me for the retinal scanner. I'm
Not
certain
fast.
the rest of the science team will help you.
What a
Well,
sweet
Gordon,
day.
Go ahead. Slip into your suit now.
I guess it was actually a pretty horrible day, not a sweet day, but whatever. I remember the meeting. Sick.
Well, Gordon, I see your ATV suit still fits you like a glove. At least the glove parts do. I've made a few modifications, but I'll just acquaint you with the essentials. Now, let's see.
Alright. What do you got
The
for me,
Mark
Doc?
V Hazardous Environment suit has been redesigned for comfort and utility. Oh dear.
Doc, we don't have time for this. At least get that suit juiced up, Gordon.
Good idea. There's a charger on the wall.
Alright, real quick before I continue. There we go.
I've
I
modified
like
your
that.
suit to draw power from Combine energy outlets, which are plentiful wherever they patrol.
The fuck am I stuck on?
Meanwhile, let's get this show on the road.
Another secret door? This one's a lot less secret, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that was pretty cool, though.
Well, come on.
I'm stuck in a
Dr. Clayton's
cage.
waiting.
I'm... bitch. Oh yeah, that looks like the thing I shaved my face
Gordon,
with. And my
why
head.
don't you position yourself near the panel over there and wait for my word?
Isaac, are you there?
Yes, Eli. Bit of a holdup on this end. You'll never guess who found his way into our lab this morning.
That's not who I think it is it?
Nah.
Indeed it is, and it's our intention to send him packing straight away in the company of your lovely daughter.
Are you ready for us, Dad?
Yeah, you ready for that, Dad?
Then let's do it.
Let's see. The massless field flux should self-limit, and I've clamped the manifold parameters to base and LT orbifold, Hilbert inclusive.
How did you get up there?
Hardly
Oh.
be more ideal.
That's what you said last time.
Hey, yeah, about that cat.
Initializing.
Ha,
in
the cat.
3, 2, 1. So, fiddlesticks. What now?
Oh god.
Doctor, the plug.
Dear me, you're right. Gordon, would you mind plugging us in?
Yeah, okay, yeah, I'll do all your
right
fucking
there,
chores.
Gordon.
Bitch.
Excellent.
I saw it right there.
gonna let
Man, I gotta
Gordon
stop
throw the switch?
cussing.
Gordon, go right ahead.
God, you guys are making me do everything. Where's the switch? Is that?
Very good. Final sequence.
Okay.
Commencing now.
I can't look.
Okay. Oh, it's
Well, did it work?
See for yourself.
Hey, Doc.
Thank goodness.
You want me
My
to do
relief
that?
is almost palpable.
Fantastic work, Izzy.
Oh
well,
my
I
god.
can't take all the credit. Dr. Freeman proved an able assistant.
Let's go ahead and bring Gordon through now.
I
Right you
plugged
are.
in some
Speak to you
things
again
and I
in a
plugged them
few
in like no one else
Good
could.
job, Gordon. Throwing that switch and all.
Yeah.
I can see your MIT education really pays for itself.
Damn
All
right.
Barney. Your turn.
Gee, thanks.
Gordon, as soon as you're in position, we'll send you to Eli.
Alright, so here's
Not
how
a
you do
moment
it.
too soon.
It's shut the fuck up and listen. Here's how you throw the switch. It's in the wrist, okay, Barney? If you fuck me on this, I will remember. And I will behead you.
Once you're safely ensconced in the transmitter, we can begin.
Okay, I'm in.
Excellent. Initializing.
I don't know if I'm
3,
safely in, but I'm in.
2,
Oh,
1.
Christ.
Barney, if you'd be so kind.
Good luck out there, Gordon.
Yes, indeed.
Okay, remember
We're
what I
ready to
said
project
about the
you,
wrist.
Gordon. Bon voyage, and best of luck in your future endeavors. Final sequence.
Alright, I'm making sure he does it right.
Well,
Oh,
what
God.
is it? It's your
Lamar.
Get head hopper.
Lamar.
Oh, no.
Slow down.
Oh, God. Lamar, what have you done?
Is Lamar with him? Get about that thing.
He's coming through, Dad.
What's going on, Julie?
I'm not sure. It seems to be some kind of interference.
Gordon, stay put. We'll get you out of there.
Something is drawing him away.
Oh, my God.
What's the meaning of this? Who are you? How did you get in here?
Hey, he's back.
the Black Mesa incident all over again.
All but certain it was Gordon Freeman.
Oh shit, not you.
He didn't come through.
Then where is he?
Behind you. Shut it down, shut it down.
Gordon, you must get out of here. Run! Get down out of sight.
This is fucked. What the hell? Get away from me. So that bitch gets to teleport and I'm just fucked. Get away from me. Where do you want me to go? What do I gotta do? Yeah, close that behind me. That sucked. Scared the shit out of me.
Gordon,
I knew I heard something.
the Citadel's on full alert. I've never seen it lit up like that. Get out of City 17 as fast as you can, Gordon. Take the old canals, right? They'll get you to Eli's lab. It's a dangerous route, but there's a whole network of refugees, and they'll help you if they can. I'd come with you, but I gotta look after Dr. Kleiner. Oh, and before I forget, I think you dropped this back in Black Mesa.
Ah.
Good luck out there, buddy. You're gonna need it.
Hey, appreciate it, Barney. Maybe you're not such a bad guy. Trusty hardware. Solid. Solid status. Oh shit. Ah! Follow behind the train, that's probably a good idea. Shit, they found me. Parkour. Get me out of here, get me the hell out of here. Oh my god, okay. Ooh, the music stopped so abruptly.
Help me! Stop! We didn't do anything!
Finally, I get to do something. Oh, I'm taking your gun. I am so taking your gun.
You now. You'd better run. There's nothing else you can do here.
Well, at least I can put him out of his misery for you. There you go. Get out of my face. Alright, making a great escape.
Attention protection team. Status invasion in progress in this community. Response. Isolate. Inquire.
Got you. Come on, Thomas, let's do it. Oh, yeah. What? That works. Fuck you. Leave me alone. Where? Oh my god. Piss off. Zigzag, zigzag. Can I get in there? Yeah, I can.
Unidentified.
Ow. out of here. Oh, that scared the hell out of me. Give me that. Go, 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 go. There you go. Yeah. Oh. Fuck. Fuck it. Alright, that's the best I could do. I couldn't think of any other idea. Oh my god, there better not be any fish assholes in here. That was easy.
God.